Hi, this is Tim Prigon, and it's Tuesday evening, March 10th, 2026. And just want to kind of give a synopsis on what's going to be happening overnight with the severe weather potential here across the area. We certainly need to keep our eye out overnight tonight here across much of the Helu Forecast Center. So just pay attention, have your phones ready, get them on warning mode for the overnight, and take shelter if you need to. But not expecting a massive outbreak here. The big outbreak is going to be across Illinois and Indiana up through here. But further south and west, it's going to be more of a conditional threat around here. But I do think the threat is real. So that is something I want to look over here for you. Chad posted a pretty good an update here late this afternoon. No changes to that idea of thinking at all. Just kind of want to give you a little visual on this. So, again, here is our tornado watches all the way down through Kansas and into Oklahoma and Texas. So, this is it's one of the bigger tornado watches I've seen in a long, long time. So, next, I want to show you the satellite. This is our system that was out here in the Baja that's now sitting around here. And you can really see the storms now blowing up right ahead of that shortwave, all the way from Texas, Oklahoma, Kansas, northern Missouri, and into northern Illinois and into northern Indiana. There have already been some big tornadoes up across northern Illinois near Kankakee, and that was this cell right here. This is the radar, and this cell it's still going. But you can see more severe thunderstorms with tornado potentials occurring here across northern Illinois and now into northern Missouri. And then we got our other storms down here across Kansas, Oklahoma, and Texas. I do expect this to fill in here and then work its way south and east to our area anytime after midnight. So let's take a look at the models here. This is the HRR. Kind of see what's going on here. It's got a pretty good handle on it. Here's our storms up through here. The storm is now developing across northern Missouri, and we can see that fill in right there. This is now about midnight and getting into Columbia about that's 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, and then further east towards St. Louis, that is now 2 o'clock. No, that's 3 o'clock, and then this is 4 o'clock in the morning. And you can see here the storms. You can see the updraft helicities with these cells here that are spinning. And as we go further east, you can see all these little spotted cells down through here. Those could all be hailers and maybe spin up a tornado. And then as it gets through us, this is now 4 a.m. It's getting through St. Louis. And as it moves further east, then we got more of a routine showers and storms as we head throughout the morning tomorrow and into the early afternoon. But I think the main event here is, let's say, again, once we get towards Columbia, this is 1 o'clock. And then this is 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, and it's pretty much off to our east. So any of these storms could be, strong, severe. There is that chance. Obviously, the tornado chance is not zero. And the one thing that I did want to show you is it does show this is the tornado index. This is at 3 o'clock in the morning when the storms are coming through. You can see we still have, the soundings are showing that these can spin and produce tornadoes. That's what this is showing right here. So, again, just keep aware of the weather overnight tonight. And one more thing, wanted to show you the sounding. This is the sounding at midnight. We still got our cap. See that right there, right over that blue line right here on the right. And then we got all that cape up there. But this is at 1 a.m. And then by 2 a.m., let's go to the next hour. You can really see that the cap is really eroding, and that will allow the storms to make it down to the surface here across the metro area. So that is, what we're looking at overnight tonight. So uh, keep keep with Helu Weather on Facebook. We'll give you updates on warnings, and if any more watches are going to be issued further south. But we'll be up overnight watching this for you. Thanks for watching, and take care tonight.